Yesterday we had a client crying on the phone, but in a good way. Hi, this is Kaushik Ranchod from Love Your Practice, helping you grow your practice with more abundance and joy. So what did that story that I shared with you a few seconds ago have anything to do with marketing? Well, he was sharing his story because what we did for him, we got him a waiver, and it meant so much to him that I had to share that with my team, had him call in, and he shared his story, and it really just gave us a boost. It motivated us, and that really goes back to what motivates you. Because we're in the beginning of the new year, I don't know, you might have already hit some roadblocks. What's going to take it to the next level if you're not moving the needle forward is going back to what makes you want to move forward. What's your motivator? For instance, for me, it's to help heal and empower our clients' lives. That's our law firm's mission. It's also because I want to help provide for my family. And those two are the biggest motivators for me. So everyone's going to be unique, and you got to define that for yourself. But it has to be something that really makes you want to put forth the extra effort when you have a client that's upset yelling at you on the phone. It's something that will get you up every morning to do what you want to do. And I know that, in law, sometimes it's just like looking at the paperwork, looking at the forms, doing briefs, and that stuff can make you lose sight of the actual human being, the person. So go back, revisit your why, remember why you went into law in the first place. Then second, carve out time for you every single day to do marketing. That's what I do. When I come in the morning, I focus on marketing because that's how you're going to move the needle forward. Now, you might be thinking, well, I'm an attorney, so why do I need to do marketing? Well, if you're an attorney having your own law practice, you've realized by now that you're not able to help serve people if you don't have clients. And how do you get clients? You have to share your message to your prospective clients so that you can help serve them. It's as simple as that. And that's why I'm so passionate about marketing, is because it's really changed my life by implementing the strategies to be able to serve more clients. And it's really the foundation of any law firm, because if you don't have clients, obviously you're not gonna have a law practice. And unfortunately, we weren't taught this in law school, but hey, check out my videos. I'm sharing a lot of information, so it'll get you up to speed on a lot of these marketing principles. Going back to carving out that time, I recommend 45 minutes. Anything over an hour, studies have shown that you will become fatigued later on throughout the day, so it's important to take breaks. I recommend go 45 minutes, turn off your cell phone, put a sign on your door, and just crush it for those 45 minutes. You're gonna feel good afterwards. You're gonna know that you've accomplished something. You're gonna move the needle forward on your law practice. You're gonna feel good because you're gonna be helping more clients, helping serve them. But you have to have the discipline. And you might be like, I don't wanna do that. Well, then you're not gonna be able to help serve more people, which is probably why you went into law in the first place. If you carve out that time of 45 minutes, you will begin to see results if you do it consistently. You just have to be consistent. Now, if you don't have time every single day, then do it once a week. Start off small. Once a week, 45 minutes. That's my challenge to you. And that is as simple as that, is gonna help take your law firm to the next level. Now, if you're already doing it, maybe you can increase the time. If you don't wanna do it, then hire someone else who's gonna be consistent to do it. But you need to have someone focusing consistently on marketing in your law firm if you want to take your law firm to the next level. Thanks, and have an awesome day.